Trending video effects are just the start. VO3's viral templates plus Filmora's AI editing tools make it easier than ever to create scroll-stopping content. In today's video, I'll show you how to leverage hot VO3 trends with Filmora. Top TikTokers are gaining 10 to 100,000 followers in days using VO3's viral templates. Are you ready to create stunning videos effortlessly? Filmora has over 10 new AI features that make editing simple, whether you're a beginner or pro. Follow the link in this video. Download Filmora for free and start creating viral content. Step 1. Generate in VO3. Choose a trending VO3 template, like Marvel, Bible, or Star Wars. Instantly, you get a 10-second viral-ready clip. Step 2. Polish in Filmora. Import your VO3 clip into Filmora. Then, add dynamic subtitles, smooth transitions, and cinematic filters with a tap. Once that is done, instantly resize for Reels or TikTok. You don't need any design skills. Step 3. Use Filmora's AI tools. In Filmora, you can use tools like the Smart Short Clips, which helps to auto-trim for maximum impact, the AI Video Enhancer for crisp, pro-quality visuals, automatic captions for accessibility and engagement. Then, you have Social Content Planner to schedule your posts for peak reach. Why don't you allow Filmora do the magic for you going forward? Start using Filmora for free now. Follow the link in the description to download Filmora for free. I hope you found the video helpful. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.